Ready?
Yes.
I new Blackhawk Series X. It's the new Blackhawk that premium digital edition Blackhawk Series X. Come on, you clear. Digital edition Blackhawk Series X. Standard edition.
Wait, oh,
Hey.
oh,
Yes.
Black Cock Series X.
Standard edition Blackhawk Series X.
Wee.
Blackhawk.
Black Cock Series X.
Blackhawk Series X. Blackhawk.
Series X.
Motherfucking Blackhawk. Yeah. Why did that? No. What's so wrong with us, man? Oh, what is he doing, bro? God damn. Oh, I got you. I got
Like Lizzie.
but Glizzy too busy.
Oh Lord.
Wait, sit like that. I'm finna smash your ass real quick. All right.
Oh.
Pass it to my shorty if the police see the thought. She just set me up. We up in your car. I'm trying to grab this bisexual bot, the motherfucker, but it won't.
I got the Thanos gauntlet.
Yeah, I don't think the ball's gonna cut. I don't know. Fuck out of here, boy.
Time to plug it in.
Just stick it in. Just stick it in. I hope you. Imagine like you just have the sex for the first time. It's like I miss. This fucking wrong hole. I miss. Wrong hole. I missed. I can explain. I just missed. I missed. Listen. I just missed. Okay, everybody missed. We all from our mistakes. I missed. Oh, stupid. Oh, we gotta hold hands. Come up.
I got away.
Hold on. Hey.
That's his face.
Alright.
That's
Sing! Stop moving your arm. Alright, hold on. You got my forearm. Let go. Alright, put your arm in mine. Alright, praise Hitler. What did you say? Alright, let's go. I'm on my way. I'm on, fat foot.
Got a blast!
No, let go. Hey, Satan. Hey, yeah, mother. Oh, yo. You're dumb, man. I'll catch you. Trust. I can't catch you. Hey, jump over here. I'll get you. Jump. Jump. I'll get you. Just jump. It's like, nigga, you wanna show your chart? Oh, fuck no. I was about to say the one time you wanna give me your box. Pause. I go shopping, and then I fucking. Hey, let's go. Pussy, dick. Fuck.
Choking myself. Wait.
You put yourself in an arm bar, nigga. Hey, no, so choke. Wait. Put yourself in the arm. How do you get yourself in this position? Hey, get your fat ass, big neck, head out. Hey. Catch you on the flip side, me, my dog. Remember that one time you want to shoot your charger? Remember that one time you want to share it? Nah, you let go of them fucking thing. Let go of them motherfucker. If you don't let go of the goddamn, I'll. Alright, I got you. Wait. I think I got you. Fuck. Oh, guess I let go. There's no other way. It's like, oh, I'm gonna come down and we're both gonna fucking die. Okay. Okay, you got my hand. Go on. Take jump.
spaceships. I hate you, bro.
Coordinate. Boy, I knew that big
Big
ass
ol'
head.
head.
But he got a big ass head. But I knew that big ass head wasn't gonna do no good for you in life. Yeah. Head is mad black, got a boots is black to mad. Corday, it's your favorite sport. Look.
Got one.
Fuck.
Up.
It didn't. It's get on it.
No deal.
Yeah, get on it.
I just,
Are you on it?
no, I'm headbutting myself. I'm headbutting myself.
Nigga, oh, are you in? Nigga, are you good? Do you need some pills? I hit la. Corday, your favorite sport, basketball. Come on. Yes, it is.
Oh.
It. And black people are always late.
Yeah,
Here, you get the first shot. Bro, it happened to you. That's happened to me, nigga.
You know how I feel. Why would you say
You're fired, nigga. I'm gonna get that orange one. Wait, hold on. Yo, hey, yo. Family. Corday. We both gotta make one at the same time. 2 hands on this bitch. Michael Jordan. Oh, yeah. 2 hands, 2 hands. Michael Jordan this bitch. Oh, fuck.
I got eat that beat. Oh.
Fuck.
I really am doing it like Michael Jordan.
No, you fucked
Can't
up.
fit it in.
That ain't allowed in basketball, man. You can't do that. You can't do it.
Okay.
Imagine some short ass nigga just like trying to stay on the hoop and it's like, I can do it, come on. Let me get this point, coach, come on. Come on, do me like that, man.
That wasn't me, right? That was me.
That wasn't me. that was me. Yeah, Superman. Yeah. Over jump around like it's Fortnite, nigga. Hey, my ring. Get off my throat, nigga. You supposed to be sucking my black cock. Get off my shoes. Get off my Jordans. Get off my Jordans. Get off. Get off my. Let go of my Jordans. Let go of my fucking Jordans. You think I ain't playing? Oh, nigga, I was stomping your face. Right? I was stomping your shit. What you gonna play? I was stomping your shit, nigga. What's up? What's up? Nigga. You feel like go, well, pussy, nigga. Get off my.
The blue card.
That nigga always calling. We making a video. Shut the fuck up. We making a goddamn video. Shut the fuck up.
I
Damn.
almost grabbed all the blue cards.
You annoying. No, you need some blue sperm cells, nigga. Fuck you talking about? You're getting raw footage. You don't need to sit there watch the video. You got raw. Yo, big ass hit. I tucked that hurt. That fucking hurt. Hurry up, pussy. Alright. Only one can say on here, one at a time. You fucking bitch. Yeah, hold on. Yo, help me. My neck. Nigga, I'm necking myself. I don't wanna. Yo, help me. Grab my shit. Grab my booty hole. Fuck.
Ah,
What's this?
I see. So where's the bowling ball though?
What if it ain't a bowling ball? I try to make that, but it didn't make me.
Oh, yes sir.
No, you cheating. You cheating. No, you cheated. You cheated. You cheated. No, I can't even. I'm Asian. You black. You're not supposed to do here. That ain't no fucking. Alright, we're taking the blue one. What the fuck is it? Where's it at? Oh shit.
Denied.
That's what 2 of them bitches. We only got 2 pins left. Shit. My next your. Oh fuck. Hold on. 8. Oh near my. That noodle. That boy got noodle.
Denied.
Okay. That should be
Perfect.
Hey daddy. Hey daddy.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go. Oh, no, I can't take that ride. That shit
Shazam.
that looks like some deep price shit. Wait, yo, wait up. Stop. We gotta hold hands again. We gotta hold hands. Hold on. Look,
I'll hold your ball head.
no, let me get them Travis. No, hold on. I'm gonna grab your feet. Actually, no, I'm gonna drag you.
You drank my black cock serious.
Come on.
Oh, okay.
Suck his black. I'm gonna try and grab your feet perfectly. I'm gonna, alright, that's one.
Spread.
I was digging in my ass, so.
Okay.
Alright, that's two. Alright.
Ow.
Hey, let go of me! He's breaking my back. He's breaking my back. No, it's all the way around. Grab your feet. Hey, what happened? Wait. I wanna let go. Wait, do we let go? Fuck it.
No.
Oh, hey, no, we can vibe, girl. Let me vibe. Come with me and you see the world of your imagination. Yeah. Right here's where you just editing some fucking shitty ass, dumb fucking dubstep music. Fuck we supposed to do? I see some LGBTQ shit. Oh, it's a drone!
We going on drone.
It's a
We going
drone!
on drone.
Hey, I'm too fat. It's weighing me down.
Where are we going?
I'm weighing it down.
Where?
Hey, yo, this look like a setup. This look like a setup. No, I'm on a rainbow one. Hold on, no, we're starting. Last checkpoint. You get the rainbow one. I ain't doing that. Look at the blue one. Hey, that's my blue one. I swear to God, we taking the same one, dude.
Oh wait, it's different. Okay, hold on.
Fuck.
That's white. Where red at? Here.
I'm actually weighing mine all the way the fuck down. Mine's not gonna make it. Mine's not gonna fucking make it.
I see it.
Mine's not gonna make it. Corday, help me. Fuck up. Hey, you know what it is.
Let go.
How you doing that? My shit gonna go all the way down. Oh, you gotta control it. Oh, okay. You a liar ass nigga, man.
So do we go this way?
I think we do. It look like it. Go up.
Ow.
Go up.
Hey, hold on.
Go up. Hey, okay. Hey, on now, my. Let go. Hey, yo. You can take us back up. No, it ain't. No, never mind. And we back to the start now. We back in the start now. We back in the start. Let go.
Jack, don't let go.
Corday, I ain't gonna make it. Corday, help me. Corday, listen. Look down. Corday.
Oh, see.
We gonna restart check. Alright, look now. How you doing?
Wait.
Crazy, what you like?
Oh, see.
I gotta take another one. Hold on, wait. Corday, come back. No. How we supposed to, is it this?
We have to go
Corday, come here. Alright. Bro, this is some shitty ass Avenger shit right here. It looks like Superman is trying to save some 600-pound woman, but can't fucking take off. Where do we jump? I just brought mine all the way fucking down. Mine won't go up. Don't jump like I did. Yeah, go. I'm back at the fucking start.
And I know where to go.
Fuck, okay, I'm gonna follow you.
So we'll be chilling.
Alright, now. Why the fuck are we here?
God, bro, leave me alone.
Who the fuck's tweeting at you, bro? Oh!
Oh. So you break them, okay?
Corey, I don't know if you saw this, but it's like a
That bit
bit.
should be open. That
Oh, it's open. That bit open.
Oh.
Alright, look. See that big ass red door over there? It's to our left.
Oh yeah.
We gotta go take it.
We gotta get to that.
Well, we gotta take one of them air tanks. The tanks that shoot us in the air.
Follow me.
And you see the world of your imagination. Must me the money.
I'm an achievement, boy.
Wait, diamond achievement for real?
Has to be.
What? Go. Just like what we're doing for once. Oh, hey, you know what it is? Hey, look. Yo, bro, you go crazy with it, yo, look at me. Hey, yo.
I'm going crazy.
Yeah. No fuck winning, nigga. This is in the video right here. I was doing some volleyball shit. Yeah. Yeah, just tap X, just keep tapping X. Yeah. But we can't go outside. We're going ham on this. Ooh. Yeah. Fuck your ball. Oh, hey. Oh, no, my. Just let go of the ball, man. The ball's a dick. Yes. Stop.
Reload checkpoint.
See how you trip. Hold your hands. Alright. Ready?
It's so green.
Oh, beautiful. That's a good help. Time and achievement. Sports.